Hi guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. What we're going to be doing today is I found these little 3 nesting trays that are wood at Walmart. I couldn't believe it, for $9 and something. It's such a great deal in their craft section. So I want to take one of those and put a farmhouse saying for my kitchen on it. I think it'll be really cute. And now tomorrow I will see you for the fairy garden from the Dollar Tree, okay? So I already have Cricut loaded here. I'm going to go to New Project, the circle with the plus. I'm going to click on that, and that will put it on our canvas, okay? So I'm going to go to Images right here on the left, click on that, and then up here at the top, I'm going to type in Farmhouse. Some of these I have downloaded, and some of them they're just part of Cricut Design Space. Now if you see a little A, you have to be a member. That's Cricut Access. I forget how much it is a month, but I pay that. So I wanted this one that says Farmhouse Kitchen. You could also just go on Pinterest and Google sayings, farmhouse sayings. I have a lot of those saved, and just download them. So I'm going to click on this. That will put a green box around it. Then we're going to go to the bottom, insert images, and click on that. All right, now that will put it right here, and I like it because it has this writing and this font and then this font. I like the combination. You could do the skinny like I did with the little container in my kitchen to hold my tea, if you wanted, that I got off of defont.com for free. But I want to do this one, and I want to make this. We'll go up here to this lock. I'm going to unlock it, and for the width I want this to be 5.0. We're going to look at it and see what we think. And then I want it to be 1.0 tall. I'm going to lock it back. I think, let me see if I can make that 2. Let me try 1.5 because 2 just won't work. So I'm going to unlock it again and put 1.5. I think that looks much better, okay? So if you'll look over here on the layers column, it's a basic cut. So we're just going to go to make it, right top corner. My Cricut is set to custom. So you do not want to mirror this because you're going to be using transfer tape. So I'm going to go to continue, right bottom corner. My computer is connecting to my Cricut. Okay, now like I said, we're not going to mirror it. I thought my Cricut was set to custom, but it wasn't. So I have Cricut removable vinyl. So I'm just going to hit premium vinyl. I'm going to leave my pressure the same. And the next time you see me, we'll be cutting out this really pretty font to put on our tray. Okay, here are these 3 nesting trays that I got at Walmart for $9 and something. I could not believe it. They have this size, and then a much larger size. I love them, but I'm going to be using the smaller of the 3. All right, here is my removable vinyl from Cricut. It always will tell you on the back what it is. And I'm just going to put this right down here. I think I'm going to take it from this side. And then I'll cut off the excess. Going to load it with the blinking arrow, and then cut with the blinking C. Okay, it's finished. I'm going to eject it with the blinking arrow. Then I'm going to take my scissors and just trim this up so I don't waste any of my vinyl. And then we'll get, I really do like this Dollar Tree weeder. It's so good. So we're just going to weed it by taking away everything we do not want. Okay, and this is what we're getting so far. I think that is so pretty, and I love it because of the two fonts. All right. So what we'll do now is we'll just get our transfer tape, and you can reuse your transfer tape. And I'm just going to put it right on here. Okay, and then that's what we have. So simple. I'm going to stand up. You could measure if you want. I never do. Okay, then we'll just apply it. Well, here this is. I love how this turned out. It is so pretty. If you would see that out, you would pay so much at Hobby Lobby or wherever that you would find it, and you can customize this if you want to give these as gifts. Christmas will be here before you know it. And the reason I'm saying that, you look a little crooked. And the reason I'm saying that is because I was at Hobby Lobby over the weekend, and they already have some fall and Christmas items out. I couldn't believe it. My heart, though, I have to admit, did that happy little dance when I saw fall. But you could totally make these and give them as gifts for Christmas. And you would have hardly anything in this. You could customize this if you wanted, put initials or whatever, if they're into farmhouse, French country, whatever. So let's go see how this looks in my kitchen. I'll be back. Well, here it is in my kitchen. I love it. I think it is so pretty. And I just put a little topiary that I bought at Target's Dollar Spot quite a while ago. I put inside of it that little lid that I DIY'd with molds and wax, and then I have some Dollar Tree greenery tucked in the back, and I think this adds so much to my kitchen. It just looks, it's a really cute vignette. I love it. So until next time, bye guys.